Hello crocheters, welcome to my channel Zero Crochet Out. Wow, this is an amazing hat for a newborn size, a firstborn from the womb, and I made this in several colors. Now you can make this and sell and literally start a good business with it. Welcome to my channel Zero Crochet Out. I'm so happy to have you here. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more wonderful tutorials. God bless you. Let's get started. Okay, to begin our hat, we're going to create our slip knots inside a hook, and we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And into this chain 1, insert your hook and make a slip stitch. Good. And now next we're going to chain 2, 1 and 2. Now this chain 2 does not represent a double crochet. Okay, next what we are going to work in, we're going to continue working into this chain, into this, we're going to work in now into this ring space that we just created, this circle here. So we're going to make a total of 12 double crochet in here. So to make a double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, you have 3 loops on your hook, pull out 2 loops, you're left with 2, pull out 2 loops. That's a double crochet. Now to make the second double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, and now you have 3 loops on your hook, pull out 2 loops, pull out 2 loops. That's 2 double crochet, and we need a total of 12. So 1, 2, 3, 11 and 12. There's the last one, 12. Now you just want to pull that tail, and now into the first double crochet that we did here, we're going to insert our hook and make a slip stitch. And here we have completed row number 1. So we're going to begin row number 2, chain 2, 1 and 2, and into this first stitch we're going to make 2 double crochet, yarn over and make 2 double crochet, 1, yarn over and make number 2, into the same stitch, into the next stitch repeat the same thing, make 2 double crochet, 1, 1 and 2. And this is the only thing we're going to be repeating all through this row, making 2 double crochet in each stitch. Okay, now you want to mark that first double crochet, insert your stitch marker into that first double crochet, and just continue making 2 double crochet in each stitch all across this row. Okay, and when you get at the end of this row, remove your stitch marker and slip stitch on that dot and that stitch and make a slip stitch. And here we have completed row number 2, and at the end of this row number 2 we should have a total of 24 double crochet. So to begin row number 3, chain 2, 1 and 2, and as I said, this chain 2 is not a double crochet. So in that stitch you're going to make 1 double crochet, so yarn over and make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and into the next stitch you're going to make 2 double crochet, so yarn over and make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, and into the next stitch you're going to make 1 double crochet, yarn over and make 1 double crochet, and to the next stitch you're going to make 2 double crochet, yarn over and make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2 and 2, and to that first double crochet you want to insert your stitch marker. So we're just going to So we're just going to repeat this sequence all through this row, making 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet into the next stitch, and we're going to repeat this all through this row. Okay, so keep on working. Okay, I just completed row number 3, and at the end of this row number 3 we should have a total of 36 stitches. So we're going to begin row number 4, chain 2, 1 and 2, and to the same stitch make your first double crochet, so yarn over and make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, yarn over and make 1 double crochet, 1, and into the next stitch you're going to make 2 double crochet, so yarn over and make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, and we're just going to repeat this sequence all through this row. So here you make 1 double crochet, you make 1 double crochet, and into the third you make 2 double crochet. Okay, so 1 1 and 2. So just continue working and I'll meet you at the end of this row. I've already completed row number 4, and you can see it's giving us a very beautiful circle here, and at the end of this row number 4 we should have a total of 48 stitches. Wow, this is cute. Now we're going to begin row number 5, and in row number 5 we're going to make 1 double crochet in 3 stitches, and into the 4th stitch we're going to make an increase. Okay, so chain 2, 1 and 2. Remember, this chain 2 is not a double crochet, so make your first double crochet into that first stitch. So this is 1 double crochet, into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, 1. So this is 1 2 3. Okay, so this is 1 2 3, and to the 4th stitch you're going to make an increase, so make 2 double crochet into the stitch, yarn over and make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. And we're just going to repeat this sequence all through this row. So you make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and into the 4th stitch you make 2 double crochet. Okay, so repeat this all through this row, and I'll meet you at the end of this row to tell what we're going to do next. Wow, you can see how beautiful it is. We've completed already 1 2 3 4 5 rows of increase. I mean, that's a perfect circle, a very perfect circle for a beginner. And now, do you know you can use this and make many things with this? Like, seriously, don't like, just continue working with me and I'll tell you the other things you can do with this. So now we're done with our increase row. Next we're going to begin to build our baby's hat. Want something like this. This is cute, right? I did it in many colors. Another one and another one. You can really literally make this and sell. Okay, and for sure start a good business with it. And we're going to chain 2 1 and 2. So now I can call this as our number 1 row for the length of our hat. Okay, so make yarn over and make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, into the next stitch yarn over, make 1 double crochet, into the next stitch yarn over and make 1 double crochet, and in each stitch you're just going to make 1 double crochet all through to the end. So keep on working with me and I'll tell you what we're going to do next. Okay, you can see our baby's heart is beginning to shape. I just completed my row number 1 of double crochet all through. So we're going to chain 2 1 and 2. I'm just going to repeat the same thing. So yarn over, into the stitch make 1 double crochet, into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, into the next stitch 1 double crochet, and from here we're just going to make 1 double crochet until we have the length for our baby's heart. And here we did a total of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Yep, yeah, we did a total of 9 rows. So we're also going to do 9 rows here. Okay, so just keep on working with me and we're going to see what it looks like at the end. Okay, so and wow, yeah, we have completed the show. Thank you so very much. Thank you so very much for working with me, and ended up doing a total of 9 rows. As I told you earlier, we did 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. I mean, this is amazing. This is a newborn, fresh for the womb. This is a newborn size, and this will be from 0 to this would be a 3-month size, and this would be a newborn size. So, and as I always say in my tutorial, I advise you to do plenty of this and sell, and I pray God blesses the work of your hands. Okay, so thanks for working with me. I know you'll be guessing, what is this, what is this, what is this. This is a yarn needle. In my last tutorial I taught you how to weave in your ends with a yarn needle, so you want to check out that tutorial. Until then, stay blessed and shalom. For the next tutorial, stay tuned. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Okay, thank you. God bless you. Shalom.